Hey everybody, Greg from Park Journey here. We're at Magic Mountain today for a West Coast Racers update. Trying something a little new with the microphone to see if maybe it'll cut down on the music here so we can not get dinged by YouTube. But anyway, it's a holiday weekend, so it's pretty busy here. But to be honest, I had a great morning so at the park so far. As you probably know, our last update, we had a little bit of criticism with a couple of rides up. And this morning it's been really great. I've actually ridden a few things so far. Fit on Batman this time. I didn't have to do the walk of shame, which is nice. But anyway, you'll see behind me the store is not open today, or at least yet, so I can't get any window pictures. But we're going to go ahead and check out the construction on West Coast Racers anyway. A lot of really good progress has been made over the last few weeks, which is very nice to see. So I'll do some narration a little bit when I'm away from the from the speakers here, hopefully to alleviate the background noise. But let's go ahead and check it out. Be sure to subscribe down below, and let's go check out the update. So here we see the preview center is closed, as I mentioned before, but you can see the walls are still up, but you can see the amount of work that is going to be going on very shortly here. So here's a peek in from the jet stream queue. The launch tracks for both the yellow and the white are done. And then as you can see, an overview of the area here. They are doing a lot of work right now. And if you look over to the left, all of the buildings on the left side are gone, which you can't see from here, but you can see from Jetstream, including the arcade at the very end. And down there at that end, there's actually some really cool supports for part of the ride that goes kind of by the slingshot, which is very cool. So a little bit more around the Cyclone 500. As you can see, there's a lot of work going on around in that particular area right now. So there's a little bit of the supports I was talking about a little earlier. It's kind of zoomed in, but that's the launch track. And then if you keep going down the track there's actually a lot more really cool. It's a really cool looking support. So as I mentioned, they've been doing a lot of work. So here you can see up going up towards Ninja, the amount of work that's being done, an overview. They're doing a lot of work on Apocalypse as well, as you will hopefully be able to see here. So a little bit of a zoomed in look here up by Samurai Summit. And again, you can see all the work that's been done in just the last few weeks. So they really are kind of picking up the pace here. And as you can see, Jetstream is back open. I did ride it. It had a nice little refurb. But then again, you can see there's the crane on site. Where the crane is right now is right where that mess of supports is. So a little bit more up at Samurai Summit, kind of a zoomed out view here. So as you can see, all that work that's going on in the back is not for West Coast Racers. That is for the new houses up above. And then as we zoom in, again, you can see one side of buildings is completely gone, and then the amount of work that's being done kind of where the candy factory is and the rest of the shops that are over there. One of the buildings was completely gutted, just the roof and the sidewalls remained. So back up by Ninja, from the exit of Ninja, you can see just an overview of the entire area there. Again, a lot of work being done, a lot of work still to do, but as you can see, they are definitely picking up the pace over the last few weeks, which is kind of nice. I'm hoping that there might be some backstage tours coming up soon, some hard hat tours, maybe of the ride once they kind of get some more done. So here is the last shot for this particular update. Again, a little bit of a zoomed in view. There you can see the 2 launch tracks, and as you move to the left, you can see the amount of work that's been done. Again, both on West Coast Racers and Apocalypse. They were actually working on retracking of Apocalypse today. So yeah, as you can see, the work is continuing. Thanks everybody for checking out the update. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. And we will have a full update with pictures and everything else coming up soon.